Welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to explain in deep about the world of DeFi apps and challenge myself to uncover exactly what makes them so powerful. DeFi, or decentralized finance, is a revolutionary concept that's transforming the financial landscape, enabling people to access financial services without the need for traditional banks or institutions. DeFi apps, or decentralized finance applications, operate on blockchain technology, allowing users to engage in financial transactions without intermediaries like banks. Imagine lending or borrowing money directly with others, all secured by smart contracts, self-executing agreements coded into the blockchain. This means no paperwork, no waiting for approvals, just instant transactions. Traditional financial systems have several limitations, including a lack of accessibility, transparency, and control. Many people around the world are still unbanked or underbanked, unable to access basic financial services like loans, savings, or credit. This is often due to geographical constraints, lack of documentation, or other barriers that prevent them from participating in the traditional financial system. In traditional finance, transactions are often slow, expensive, and prone to errors, which can lead to frustration and mistrust. Centralized institutions have control over our financial data, which can be a concern for those who value their privacy. Decentralized finance aims to address these issues by providing a more inclusive, transparent, and secure way of managing financial transactions. Financial systems are often plagued by corruption, inequality, and inefficiency, which can have severe consequences for individuals and societies as a whole. DeFi apps are built on blockchain technology, utilizing smart contracts to facilitate secure, transparent, and autonomous transactions. Liquidity pools are another key feature, allowing users to lend or borrow assets in a trustless and permissionless manner. Yield farming is a popular strategy in DeFi, where users can earn interest on their assets by providing liquidity to these pools. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement written directly into lines of code, eliminating the need for intermediaries and increasing the speed of transactions. Liquidity pools are essentially pools of funds locked in a smart contract, which are used to facilitate lending and borrowing in DeFi protocols. These features empower users, giving them more control over their financial transactions and allowing them to participate in a more open and inclusive financial system. A groundbreaking example of a DeFi app is Uniswap, a decentralized exchange protocol that enables users to trade assets in a trustless and permissionless manner. Uniswap has been incredibly successful, with billions of dollars in transactions taking place on the platform every day. Uniswap's success can be attributed to its ability to provide a secure, transparent, and efficient way of trading assets without the need for intermediaries. The platform has also enabled the creation of new financial instruments and markets, which has helped to drive innovation and growth in the DeFi space. Uniswap's impact on the financial landscape is a testament to the power and potential of DeFi apps to transform the way we think about finance. The main benefits of DeFi apps are their ability to provide a more inclusive, transparent, and secure way of managing financial transactions. DeFi apps are revolutionizing finance for individuals and businesses alike, enabling them to access financial services in a more efficient and cost-effective manner. Share your thoughts on DeFi in the comments below, and if you're interested in learning more about related financial topics, be sure to check out our other videos. You can earn interest on your crypto by providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges or trade assets seamlessly across platforms. The beauty of DeFi lies in its transparency. Every transaction is recorded on the blockchain, making it nearly impossible to manipulate. Plus, you maintain control of your assets, no more relying on third parties. With DeFi, financial services become accessible to anyone with an internet connection, breaking down barriers and empowering users globally. It's a revolution in how we think about money, offering freedom and flexibility like never before.